In Databricks SQL, the qualify clause is a powerful and useful feature that allows you to filter the result of a query based on the output of window functions, which allows you to include only rows that meet specific criteria without the need for subqueries or common table expression CTEs, thus making the query more concise, readable, and efficient by directly applying conditions to the result of the window functions. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can use the qualify with Windows function in a select list and how we can use the qualify with Windows function in a qualify clause. So let's get started. If you're new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button and toggle on the bell icon to be informed of new videos. So let's jump right into the presentation. Now I'm going to quickly come to this catalog, and I've got this Cornerstone Analytics catalog, and I've got this sales catalog. Now within this catalog, I've got what's called schema, such as the dim date, dim product, region, subcategory, fact sales. Now I'm going to be focusing on the fact sales schema, and when I click on this to expand, I can see the sales data table. Now I'm going to click on this sample data tab, and I can see all the record within that specific table of our fact sales schema of the sales catalog. Now I'm going to use the SQL to write our code. So I'm going to click on the SQL editor, and then I can click on this plus sign to create a new SQL editor. Now this is going to deploy the brand new SQL editor, as we can see at the top, and then we can see this name that is generated, which is just new query, and then we have the today's date and the current time. Now, it's a good practice to always give a meaningful name to your SQL editor or query. So I'm going to call this one qualify query, and once I'm done with the name, I can press enter to commit, and that's fine. Now this is going to attach this Cornerstone Analytics and then this default. Now this allows you to specify the specific catalog you want to work with. So I'm going to click on this, and I can pick the sales catalog, and then I can also pick the fact sales. Now in this case, I'm just going to write select star from the sales data table within this schema and the catalog. Now let's just see the top record in that particular table. I can perform a simple select star from, and I can see the sales data here. Just press the tab key, and you can use the limit to see only the 5 rows, put in a semicolon, and we can see we have the serverless starter compute, which is already attached. So I'm going to press Ctrl Enter to run the code. And there we go. So this gave us the order date, year, month, region, subcategory, product, and the sales. Now I want to see how we can use the qualifier in the select list. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to write select and press the tab key, and then we want to select just some columns. So I'm going to select the year column and put in a comma, press enter. We want to select the region, put in a comma, and then we want to select the product and put in a comma, and then we can use the rank window function. So with this, we can use the over clause and press the tab key. So open the bracket. Now we can use the partition by. So we're going to partition by the product column. So I'm going to say partition by the product column, and then we're going to order by the sales column, the our numerical column here. So sales. And once I'm done, I'm going to come outside and I can give this an alias. I'm going to call this one rank of sales by product, and then I can just press enter, and then we can use the from the sales data table. Now I'm going to just move this down to the next level, and for now I'm going to just put in a semicolon and run the code without using the qualify. So press Control Enter. Now this is going to work. So we can see we have the rank of sales. So we have 1, 2, 3, Bluetooth, East, and so on and so forth. Now we move down to the last 20th. So we can see we have the 20, and then this is the rank of the next best selling products. So we have the digital and so on and so forth. Now we're going to use the qualifier. So I'm going to get rid of this semicolon, press enter, and then we can call the qualify clause. So qualify. And then we're going to just take this rank of sales by product alias. I'm going to just grab that, put it here, and I'm going to say where it is equal to 1. So this simply means I'm actually filtering the result of the rank. Okay, so basically I'm telling the query to only return all the rows where we have 1 and return this 1, and then when you go down we have this 1 and so on and so forth. So that is what the qualifier will do for them, which is so amazing. I'm going to put in a semicolon and press Control Enter to run the code. Absolutely, that worked fine. So we can see we have the product Bluetooth, the best-selling product Bluetooth for the East region in the year 2018, and then we have this one, and then we have the digital camera for the central region, and then we have the 2015, and then we have the e-reader, and so on and so forth. That's fantastic. Now, I want to say how we can use the qualify with a qualify clause. So I'm going to write that quickly and just perform another select, and then we want to take the year column, put in a comma, and then press enter. So we want to grab the region also. So region, put in a comma, press enter. We want to select the product, and then we can just press enter. Now we're going to, at this stage, just perform the from. So I'm going to say select from the sales data, press enter. Now I'm going to use the qualify here, and then we can use the rank function here, open the parentheses, and then we use the over clause, press the tab key, and then within this we're going to pass in the partition by. So we're going to partition by the same product, and then we're going to order by the sales numerical column, and we're going to say where all of this the window function is equal to 1. Now this could actually filter the result of the window function and then return the same result without including this particular rank of sales additional column. So I'm going to put in a semicolon and press Control Enter to run the code. Amazing. So you can see we have the same result, and in this case the rank of sales by product has been chopped off, and then we have the best-selling product by the region and the year. So again, when I go back here and I run this, which is just another variant in a select, I'm going to press Control Enter. This is going to include the rank of sales by product column. So this is how we can use the qualify with window function in the select list, and how we can use the qualify with window function in the qualify clause. I trust you enjoyed this video. If you do, like, comment, share, and follow me for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.